You are, we are. You laugh.
You cry.
You get angry.
You smile.
You frown.
You wish to be happy.
You wish to be free.
You wish for it.
For all of it to get better. Whether it's getting over a breakup,
Or dealing with a family loss.
even if it's looking at the score of your accounting test, you want it to get better.
There's a part in you that believes there's something more.
Something so different from that.
And let me tell you there is.
Because you are more than you might imagine. You're beautiful.
You're unique.
You're selfless.
You are kind.
You're funny. You are you.
No one can ever change that.
Whether it's getting over a breakup,
Or the way your tears drop down your cheek when you cry.
the way you take risks and have no regrets. That's what's special about you. It doesn't matter if you're popular or not a teacher.
If you're always captain or always chosen last.
If you pass the retention exam or if you're a dropout, you are all worth it. Worth every breath and every tear.
Worth every frown and every fear.
Worth all the love and happiness in the world.
You are so much more than the thoughts of anyone else.
So if you want to change your life, remember, you can. You and only you can change the outcome of your life.
So take the chances and risk and feel happy with who you are.
Because being happy is the key to life.
Don't take that for granted.
Be you and stay true to yourself. Show the world your smile and don't let them change it.